Yo, hello everyone. I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, so right now, last stream I was learning OOP and type checking, and I think I'll do one of them right now. Like learn learn them much more properly than before. Like I really wanna understand the foundations of them. That's more important to me. I hope I'm audible. Mm, uh, wait. Hello. Yeah. Hello. I think let me test my audio. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so right now, uh, I'll go to the Roblox documentation and learn type checking. Yeah, I was doing meta tables before. Yeah. Oh yeah, what are weak tables? I don't know. Hold. Variable creates another reference to the same object. Oh, okay. We have a map table here. Then we make this a reference. Check if it is true. If not, it's false. I think that's not necessary for now for me to learn. I actually want to learn type checking right now. Uh, Weak tables, I don't think it's necessary for me to learn. Is there like a full guide? Uh, I mean, I understand type checking, but I really wanna learn like more additional stuff. Hmm. Also, yeah, guys, join my Discord. It's like really empty. No one is really talking here. So yeah, okay. Yep, I know all of this crap. How to add type notation. Yep. Oh yeah, Roblox documentation is also there. Type checking. Yeah, I'm really bad at scripting and find it really hard to learn. Oh yeah, in script. Yeah, scripting is like really, how do I say? You're basically learning a language. like trying to solve problems. Shadow Discord server rather than Rock. Yeah, that's a fact, bro. That's a fact. Yeah, bro, look at this, man. When was the last message? July 22? That long? See, that's why I call it a Sahara Desert. Okay, Low supports and gradual type system through the use of type annotation and blah 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 blah. Okay, yep, yeah, these type checks I know. Literal types. Ooh, literal types. It's C++ plus plus all over again. Literals. When did you start? Like, I think 2019 or 2020. I started programming on Roblox. Like 6 years, 7 years now. Okay, typecasts. Sometimes you might need to assist type checkers backspace. Ah, that makes sense. Type functions type. Yeah, yeah. This is what you return a function with. Then this is what. Oh, so this is what return looks like. Returning like so returning like values and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Define functional type. Okay. Hmm. Oh. Okay. That's a functional type. Like if I hmm if I create a type and then I can put the parameters of a function and then this would be the result. Yeah, that makes sense. Table types. Yeah, table types are like that. Instead, table types are defined using okay, brackets syntax, like those curly brackets and stuff. And one way of defining type, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, this is gonna be useful for classes. Pretty useful. Variadics. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. Pronounce like pronouns or pronouns. I don't. That calculates. Here's a function that calculates the sum of an arbitrary amount of numbers. Local equals 0, this, and then return. As expected, the function can take any value, and the type checker won't raise warning if you provide an invalid type, such as a string. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Okay, yeah, that's how you assign a type check here with the args. However, my question is if you don't want this to be an array, like the arguments need to be like, you know, okay, never mind. That's not a good way to think. I think it's just, hmm, yeah, it's just for arrays and stuff. I think that's the best use case. Writing a functional type definition. Okay. Huh. Expected got. Oh. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh. Instead, use this syntax? Wait, what? What's that? Come on. Yeah, this one is much more confusing than this. Hmm. Unions and intersection? Oh, that's how you do it. You intersect them and make your own custom type, apparently. Wow. Amazing. Oh, it's a table then. Ooh. Inferred type. Hmm. What are those used for then? Meta table, why? Oh, why do we use an inferred type? Why do we use a inferred type in type checking Roblox? I don't know what's that. Inferred type. I just want to infer type. What is an inferred type in type checking? Assigns to variable by looking at. I guess that's enough for type checking. And we can start rewriting this script though, because this is garbage, pure garbage. How's the game gonna run without even all those sorts of stuff? What? An error? Oh, never mind. What? Expected end to closed function at line 67. What? Nah, this is a lie. We are living in a lie. Come on. Combat striking dot block. Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair. Huh? What's wrong with this? Huh? Closed function at line 67. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ah, 67. Six. Nah, no. Oh, is it this? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah. Come on. Oh, makes sense. Yep. Okay, I published. Mm. Wait, why did I publish? Nah, 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 nah. If you guys wanna play, I can't just do that to you all. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to share the game link to y'all. You can play it if you want. Uh, hmm. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay, now I can disable the scripts and do some stuff. Yeah. Yeah, it's perfectly disabled now. Yeah, I do want a class for this module, module script, setup, match setup. Uh, oh man. Wait, I think something is wrong about this. Oh, guys, I think I messed up something. I don't know why I use the name for do things. I mean, it's still pre-alpha, so I don't mind like if there are bugs and stuff. Okay, so basically the setup would be rings. Yeah, these are the rings. Okay, pressure plates, scores, teleports, match in progress, timer. I I can use attributes instead. Instead of this, I can use attributes. Yeah, even for score 1, score 2, I can use attributes. Match in progress to be a boolean. Then we have a timer. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Yep. Now we gonna remove this crap. Mm, collapse. I think this a thing called collapse. Yep. There one. Score. I think I'm gonna do score flare. This one is a snake case. Score flare. Well, even this. I think I'm gonna put a snake case. Again. All of them. I think that's enough. Now we can start. I don't know where really I should start. I think I should start with Zone Plus. Like, hmm, when the player steps on the, I guess I'm gonna open Paint. When the player steps on the pressure plate, we'll see if there'll be like 2 by 1 players, and if another comes, it would turn 2 out of 2. That means we got a condition true. Then when we do that, let me expand this. When we are able to do that properly, then we can put them in a cage and they can fight. A true cage fight. They'll be in this octagon doing their crap. Yep. I think this is the most promising cage you can look at. I'm amazed, but we have to make sure that we are not looping to check players. This shouldn't be the case. It should be more like a state, like a state change. Hmm? Hmm. Like for a state change, it doesn't have to like loop through like if player is doing this, it just checks, okay, if this pressure plate is pressed, pressed, then check players, then check players. That's it. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Then we can check. Then we can start our game loop. So the sequence would be like uh, check players, uh, check players, the game loop, game loop. Oh hi Maxi, welcome to the stream. How are you? Okay, check players, then game loop. Then we can try. Then we can how is it? End the match and then come back. Not game loop, I would say like wait. And I just wanna make a reason. I think I would just say rounds. The round like uh the match system I would say instead. Yeah, match. Yeah, that makes much more sense. I'm good. And you? I'm doing fine. What do you do by the way? Hmm. Okay, after ending the match, we would come back to checking the players. So the players need to press on the pressure plates here. Then we can start a match. So basically, I'm working on a game called Cage Fighters. It's a untitled boxing style game, but in a kickboxing way, you know. It's basically a kickboxing style game, I would say. Hi, Devonto. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Alright, let's see. All we have got is nothing right now. I mean, this is the old game loop of how everything was being uh, chosen and stuff. I think I won't use it like this now. I think it would be more like, I think, yeah, I can make a function and then make this work. I think it's gonna be similar. Um, I guess I'm gonna start first with this local match. Uh, First I'll go for strict local match. Are you hiring? No, not yet. I'm gonna first make sure that this game is in a proper state that I like. I think it's gonna be. If it's gonna be in that state I'm hoping for, that means the game is ready. So, like, I just need more time for this. I think this would be called match loop. Like each like mods. Oh, mods. I think you can join our Discord server. Uh, I think we'll have mods for this server called Cage Fighters. This one. I mean, this is a fairly new server that's been worked on. Uh, yeah. And even join this server also, Shadow server. This is where I put my streams and stuff. So yeah, like if you want to be up to date with all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so I think we should start with here first. Let's set up a meta table here. Like, we're gonna use this specific table for a meta table. Then we can, I think instead I'm gonna call this math setup. And now we can do a match setup dot new. Yeah, then we can do a self. Then we have set up our meta table here. Let's make this strict so that we can be much more deliberate with our data types. So what I am thinking about is the match loop. So it would be like match setup. Then we have a start match. Start match. Then we have a end match then. So that means I think should I call this end match or yeah, it's just end match then start match. And then what we can do is we can actually uh get this ring, like get these rings, like the model, the cage model. That's a model that contains. Maybe we can make this like a table with mod. Like we can add bells. Hmm. Folder, pressure. I think this can itself be a type. The Okay, so how do I get hired to be a mod? We will actually start with the mod applications later on. Right now, I haven't really decided yet. Uh, I already have a mod friend called Hip Hop. He's gonna like gonna help the mod applications and stuff. I already told him to do that, so he's gonna shortly do that. Like, you get me, no? Um, can we do this? No. Cage type, I would say here. Without the plastical, it would be a camel case here. Oh wait, my bad, my bad. Is this how you? Nah, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna call this. It's a model. Oh wait, it's this one is gonna be better. It's gonna have bells, the folder type, then pressure plates. Any data type. Then we can have base part. Like again, we can have a base part. I think that's good enough. Cage type, pressure plates dot. Yep, not found in table. Okay, maybe we can be more specific. Clear, play one, play. Okay, it could be any in this table. We have the, okay. What part you working on? I'm working on the math system. Basically, I'm how do I say? I'm reworking on the system because the initial system is kind of trash, in my opinion. It's not properly coded, so I'm reworking on it. Yeah, so this is gonna be our cage here. We're gonna put this in this variable. Then we can start doing our setups and stuff. I forgot how to use Zone Plus. Uh, Zone Plus. Oh, yeah. Instead of dust, I would use Zone. Zone is much more better, though, like I'll say. Mm, mm. Oh yeah, type match, match type, my match type. My match types. I think I'm gonna return some values and stuff. Not yet. So when I get module trail, what is the max promotion? I think I haven't really decided anything regarding that. I mean, it's a really I don't know if it's about Twitch or Discord. I don't really know about that. Okay, we have a self already. Self dot cage. I don't want this though. I'm gonna use local replicated storage. Game get service. Replicated. Wait, is Zone Plus here? Nope. Are you kidding me? I think I'm gonna put Zone literally here. You don't need to do. Then we have script dot requires script of parent dot zone. We don't have to call the replicated storage API. That's gonna save some computation cost. I think that's what it means to be like that. Okay, zone plus. We first set up everything. We'll call all local variable or Something along those lines.
Hi guys, Inktus here, and in this video I'm going to be explaining Zone Plus, what it is, what you can do with it, how you can use it, and where you can find out more. This video was sponsored by
I
Nanoplus,
can
the
help you
creators of
decide for
Zone.
some things. Uh, oh yeah, what stuff can I add actually?
To begin, what is Zone Plus? Zone Plus provides an easy and intuitive way of creating dynamic zones for your Roblox experience. Here we can see an example of it being used. So here I am in the Zone Plus playground. You can use zones to track both parts and players. Using the player tracking features, you can create a voting machine. We can also use the player tracking feature to track players as they enter different ambient regions. Zones can also be used to generate parts randomly, which can be useful if you're creating something like a coin system. Zones can also be used to create safe zone. Now that we've got our local script references set up, representation of the zone. A really quick example of this, what it actually looks like. So use the zone setup. I'm going to give
Okay,
you
the zone C frame and the zone size. That's pretty much it. Zone controller. Seems like that. And then we can create our own zone. I used to be a server manager, but now I only tester or mod. Oh, I see. I'll get hip hop. If he's online, uh, I would tell him. I mean, he's not online right now. Hmm. Should I, should I do it like this? I'm not gonna use touch at all. Hmm, I think one will be bad. Oh wait, you're a tester for Grow Garden? Could you show me some proof? Okay, think cage model. Not size. A zone 2. Okay, C-frame, everything's perfect. We have set up the zones. Okay, now we have. Wait, do they have the newest version? I think I have a much older version of Zone Plus. Zone Plus. Hmm. Need to be able to check how many players are there. So I think I'm gonna add another attribute for check player. This is gonna be like max are gonna be two players, nothing else. Sorry. I think I'm gonna add like contestants or something like that type of table. I would add self dot contestants contestants. I'll add like, oh, oh wait. Hmm. I can't prove it will leak the grow garden test code. Oh, I see. I think there's a different way to prove it. I don't know. Like, uh, player entered, then exited. I mean, I can understand your position. Player entered. Okay, if we inserted the player, we are gonna make this zone inaccessible. And if the player gets off or leaves the game, okay, I can't. In normal server, I'm a member. I'm tester in the group. Okay. Hmm, I don't know. It must be like QA testing and stuff. Okay. Okay, first I'm gonna insert the player in the table. Uh, Contestants. We're gonna print self.contestants. And when the player leaves, right now I'm working on a game called Cage Fighters. It's a kickboxing style game. And right now I'm just working on the round system and stuff. Okay, why is this like that? Yep, we exported the type. Okay, this is the cage model we'll be expecting to be having. For, I think I'm gonna copy a for loop from here. It's gonna save more time for me. Yeah, match loop. I'm gonna put a task dot spawn function match loop cage model. I mean, cage model would be ring and It's gonna be counted as an instance, so I'm gonna call that. I mean, no need of that. Huh, there's an error. Oh yeah, start match, then end match. Zone container must be a model. Hmm. So where did I go wrong? Hmm. Oh, from region, I think it was. Yeah, this was the missing part. Table insert. Oh, I did the opposite. Yeah, that makes sense. Then we have up there. Still pretty new to type checking and stuff. Okay, contestant. Then, oh, invalid. Perfect. It's all working. I think this is the same thing gonna be for this. Now we're gonna check We're gonna make it so that if this zone is occupied or not. Oh wait, I have an idea. This can be a table called zone. Then this one is gonna be called occupied equal that's gonna be false from the start. I think this is gonna be a better addition. Dot zone. Dot zone. Yeah. Return it. And player dot player zone one. Oh, self self dot occupied equal true. Then make this false so that we can make sure that another player cannot join. Two, zone two. Then we can have the similar thing here. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna test with three players. So that means, oh, never mind. I did it with zero. Yo, you back? Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. Do you have level system? Yeah, I do have a level system in the game. It's already working, like, but right now I'm reworking the math system, so it won't really work. Damn, YouTube chat is like dead right now. Only Twitch is there, kind of live. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, now we are here. We can test all kinds of stuff here. Okay, this is gonna be the first one. I'm trying to get in. Yeah, but I didn't get in here. So I'm gonna go. from the other side. And look at that, we have two players that fulfills the condition. But right now the difference is we're gonna see when the player leaves. And yeah, that's been done. Then I'm gonna try getting into the uh, other player's pressure plate. So this is the first one. Then I'll get removed from here. Yeah. Then I'll try to go here. Okay, I'm gonna push him away. Go away from my place. You don't own this place. Look at that. So this is player one. This is this is player two. Yep, it's all working properly. You must make that we can fight with the bot. Yeah, that's a good idea, honestly. I can work on an AI, but let me see first. Let me first make this math system, then we'll think about that. Okay, this is nice. So this is gonna be like if self.contestant isn't like greater than equal to max players. Actually equal to max players. That's what I want. I'm going to stay here until you end stream. Oh man, that's really appreciated of you, man. I mean, if you want to leave anytime, you can leave. Print. Match start. Okay, then. So this is how the match will gonna start. So if I'm gonna try test this logic, we already have this in code, but it's in a loop, so it will be looping all over. It's not, it's gonna be like, yeah, you know. Oh well, it's looping. Oh, it's already looping. Wow. No way. Nah, nah, nah. Come on. Isn't equal. Isn't equal was the issue. Can I see how UI look in all devices? Yeah, sure. You can join the game. I sent you I sent the link and stuff. I mean, UI scaling is not that good, I would say right now. Uh, but my UI designer is working on some stuff, so yeah, we'll see. YouTube is completely dead. No fucking way. I mean, YouTube used to be the most active, but like, I guess Saturday nobody like joins or something. Okay, now we're gonna see a full print. Yep, math started. Let's go. That works. I mean, it's okay. Now we want to teleport our players to the ring. So that means it would be TP1 and TP2. So you got a dev team? Yeah, I got a dev team. Right now they're offline. One of them is like uh, overhauling this whole map so that this map is gonna be optimized. Right now, it gives me 70 to 80 FPS on full graphics. So our target optimization would be like 144. We'll see if that is possible on my device on full graphics. If it's gonna hit that threshold, that means it's gonna be optimized for other players. And I know you are the scripter. Yeah. And we have a UI designer also. Right now he's working on some other frames and stuff. We do have an animator also, but right now he's been like offline these days. He's not talking much. So I don't know. Like it's not like they're really being paid. They're just my friends who just wanna help. I mean, I have paid one of them though, and one, and even I offered one of them payments. They rejected it because they just wanna do it for fun. He's online right now. Really? Let me see. If if he's online, that would be nice. Oh yeah, wait. Let me think. So right now, I'm gonna make it so that. Oh yeah, I have to disable this first when I'm gonna teleport them. No? Yeah, I have to disable everything. That means yeah, I guess that's what I gotta do. If self dot cage. I guess I'm gonna transfer them to the other pressure plate. Yeah, is he online? How do you know? Your animator is online. Really? Nope, he's not online though. I mean, my model and build slash builders like online. Yo, really? Check Discord. Where's he online? How do you know he's my animator then? Um, what name you? Uh, what's my name of the animator? Do you even know? Because I know he's offline though. Maybe you've got someone wrong. Okay, players in round table. Okay, that's gonna be much better, I would say. Now we're gonna loop. For now, we are just gonna add, repeat. No, no. First, I should stop jumping. Honestly, I should stop jumping. Contest, and then, yeah. Okay, the AI did it for me. I guess that's nice. Contestant would be a player. What the hell? Player expected this be player, but got unknown. Oh, how about I just do this? So, yeah, I have to add a data type or something. Contestants. Are you gonna add admin panel? That's gonna be very lost though. Like very lost stuff. It's more necessary to have the foundations and stuff. My match types. Yeah, that did it. That did it. Okay, let's add the cage also. Okay, I'm gonna add cage type. I guess that's good. Not found. Wow, what do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, I see, I see. Oh yeah, match. Uh, Max players. It would be number. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, it could be. Oh, I see. Can I see the gameplay? Oh yeah, you can actually join the game right now with me. I'll show you some stuff. What me and my team cooked. I think we are genuinely cooking though. Okay, I hope this math system works because this is a legacy system. Yeah, you can join right now. You need like two players to join. Let me know if you join. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work in the background. Repeat task. Wait until self dot cage dot get attribute. Okay. Um. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. You can't really type check this though. Okay. I'm gonna keep it not type check right now. I got banned for 5 days. What? No way, man. No way. What did you do? I think oop type checking is the worst one, I would say. Is the worst one. Progress. String. Index. Index. So that's interesting. This is kind of interesting the way I did. I just said hello, bro. What you name? What's your name? I don't understand why Roblox does this all the time. Like, how are the AI systems that bad? AI text systems supposed to be really good because they're really fluent with language and stuff. I don't know what the fuck are they feeding the AIs, and they're literally like protecting predators and stuff. It's really bad. Like it's generally gotten worse than before. Mm, mm, things need to load up properly. I guess I'm gonna. Oh, let's go. Okay, this worked properly. This code is much more cleaner than my previous codes. Like previous code, the setup thing, this is kind of messy. I didn't like this architecture. This one is much more better than what I thought of. Like, hmm. Okay, so firstly, okay, we are gonna have like two variables. Like, I think we have local player one and local player two. Testing player two. People can testing. Okay, that's gonna work. I think that should be established before teleporting. Okay, that's kind of stupid. Um, so bad. Um, and then I can also do this. Yeah, wait. Clear, set, attribute. Mm. I do this. Nah, that kind of sucks. Loki, I've been here since Develop 10. Really? Oh man, you're a goat here. It's like been seven, I think, 17 streams now. Yeah. Uh, okay, right now I'm gonna get the string of this. Layer 2 dot name. Uh, what do we, what do with money in game? Okay. Oh, 1 minute. I'll be back.